The Fairmont Empress, or the Empress, as it is commonly known, is one of Victoria's most iconic hotels. Opened in 1908, this grand, chateau-style hotel is a very popular choice, with people visiting Victoria. Located on 721 Government Street, in downtown Victoria, and overlooking Victoria's beautiful inner harbour, the Empress Hotel is the perfect base for exploring Victoria and its many attractions. The Empress Hotel has 464 air-conditioned rooms and suites, many of which offer great views over the harbour, city, or garden. The hotel has a number of different facilities, including babysitting, concierge, internet access, disabled accessibility, laundry services, bell and porter services, spa treatments, health club and pool, restaurant, meeting facilities, and more. To find the best deals and prices on this wonderful hotel, simply click on the link below.